You've heard that yogurt is a superfood, but what if I told you that eating yogurt with the wrong foods could be wreaking havoc on your palms, day in and day out? Especially if you're over 60, a seemingly harmless breakfast habit could be the reason you're feeling tired, fatigued, and having trouble digesting food. 3 food groups that should never be combined with yogurt. Yogurt is famous as a superfood for the digestive system, rich in probiotics, protein, vitamin D, and calcium. However, if you combine it incorrectly, yogurt can become silent enemy, causing bloating, indigestion, and even harming the intestines. Here are 3 food groups that you should absolutely not eat with yogurt. 1. Soft fruits and melons. Oranges, grapefruit, pineapple, strawberries, melons. Problem: sour fruits contain high levels of acid. When mixed with protein in yogurt, this acid precipitates, curdles, the protein, making the mixture more difficult to digest. Consequences: causes fermentation in the intestines, bloating, heartburn, stomach pain, and digestive disorders. Tips: if you want to eat fruit with yogurt, choose sweet and low-acid fruits such as bananas, ripe mangoes, blueberries, or sweet apples. To stuff: beef, lamb, animal organs, eggs. Problem: red meat is already heavy on the digestive system. When combined with protein-rich yogurt, it will be that. Consequences: slows down the digestive process. Increases the risk of gas, bloating. Doctor advice: should eat yogurt separately, at least 2 to 3 hours after a meat-heavy meal to avoid burdening the stomach. 3. Spicy, fried foods. Problem: spicy, greasy foods will stimulate the stomach lining, causing mild inflammation, increasing acidity in the digestive environment. Consequences: affects the survival of probiotics. Easily leads to diarrhea, stomachache, gastritis. Advice: if you have just eaten spicy, fried foods, wait for your digestive system to recover and then eat yogurt about 1 to 2 hours later. Mistake number 1: mixing yogurt with fresh fruit, the sweet trap at a sore price. You've probably done it 100 times. Maybe even this morning. You open the fridge, grab your creamy yogurt, and toss in a handful of fresh berries or a slice of banana. It looks healthy. It tastes refreshing. It even feels light. But here's what most people, including many nutritionists, won't tell you. This seemingly healthy habit can be damaging to your digestive system, especially if you're over 60. Why this combination backfires according to science and ancient wisdom. Let's break it down biologically and biochemically. Yogurt is rich in probiotics, live, beneficial bacteria that help improve your gut flora, regulate digestion, and enhance nutrient absorption. These little warriors thrive in a specific environment, one that is slightly acidic and stable. But when you mix yogurt with fresh fruit, especially those high in simple sugars like bananas, mangoes, or berries, you are introducing fructose, natural acids, and fiber compounds that disrupt the balance of good bacteria. Here's what happens. The sugars in the fruit begin to ferment. That fermentation leads to gas, bloating, and mild inflammation in the gut. Worse yet, the acid from the fruit can curdle the yogurt, creating. Instead of helping your gut, this mixture can lead to sluggish digestion, bloating and gas, belching or acid reflux, and over time, a weakened intestinal lining, an imbalanced gut flora, and a weakened immune system. My take: it's not about demonizing fruit, it's about timing. Let me be clear, fruit is not the enemy. Yogurt is not. The problem is the combination and timing, especially for older adults. In my clinical observations working with older adults and reviewing the diets of hundreds of people, The most common complaint associated with this combination is, "I feel full but still bloated," a contradiction that points directly to poor digestion. Traditional systems like Ayurveda and Chinese medicine have warned against this mix for centuries. In yogurt with sweet fruit is considered a. Modern research is slowly catching up. A small study from the Journal of Microbial Ecology in Health and Disease found that mixing probiotics reduced probiotic survival and altered gut motility. Mistake number 3. Flavored yogurt, a sweet trap disguised as a health food. It's easy to be fooled. Walk down any supermarket aisle and you'll see them, colorful cups of strawberry banana yogurt, peach delight, blueberry bliss. Bright packaging, promises of probiotics, images of fresh fruit that almost dominate the label. But here's the harsh truth. Most flavored yogurts contain virtually no real fruit. What they have is a toxic cocktail of artificial flavors, added sugars, corn syrup solids, stabilizers and sweeteners, food dyes. Instead of promoting health, these hidden ingredients quietly facilitate blood sugar spikes, fat spikes, especially visceral, increased risk in heart, speech balloon might take, why we fall. To be honest, I don't. The food industry is in charge, especially when it comes to seniors. Organic, low fat, probiotics, heart healthy. Not yet. From coaching hundreds of seniors on better eating habits, I've seen a simple but powerful truth: less. When? Mistake number 4. Drinking cold milk in the morning, a silent digestive disaster. For many of us, starting the day with a glass of cold milk feels almost nostalgic. It reminds us of our childhood, simple, wholesome, and comforting. But as we age, our bodies change, and cold milk in particular. Here's why. High voltage sign potential problems of drinking cold milk in the elderly. When you drink cold milk on an empty stomach, it shocks the digestive system. It stimulates mucus production. It slows down nutrient absorption. Speech balloon my comment. It's heartbreaking. We cling to these good habits because they used to work for us. But age changes the rules. Your 25-year-old body may be struggling with digestive stress, inflammation, or minor nutrient loss. I've worked with many seniors who thought they were doing the right thing, starting their day with milk to build strong bones, but they were silently struggling with indigestion, unexplained fatigue, and worsening allergies without even realizing it. The solution isn't to give up milk altogether. It's white heavy checkmark, a smarter swap. Instead of drinking cold milk first thing in the morning, try this. Drink warm or room temperature milk if you really like milk. Better timing, have it after a light. Consider fermented milk, options like. Explore plant-based alternatives. Most importantly, listen to your body. 3 suggestions for combining yogurt correctly to improve digestive health. If you know how to choose correctly, yogurt is not only a delicious snack but also becomes a miracle drug to help the digestive system become healthier every day. 3 suggestions for perfect combinations with yogurt. 1. Cooked apples with cinnamon. Why good? Cooked apples become easier to digest than raw apples. Rich in pectin, a type of soluble fiber considered a favorite food of probiotics in the intestines. Cinnamon not only creates a gentle aroma but also has a natural anti-inflammatory effect on the digestive tract. Quick way to use. Cut the apples, cook them lightly with a little water and cinnamon, then add them to the yogurt. Both naturally sweet and fragrant, and extremely easy to digest. to flax seeds and chia seeds. Why good? Both of these tiny seeds are extremely rich in omega-3s, anti-inflammatory, and soluble fiber, helps improve bowel movements. The fiber in the seeds also acts as a prebiotic, helping to nourish a healthy gut microbiome. 3. Cooked or overnight oats. Why good? Oats are rich in beta-glucan and prebiotics, which help beneficial bacteria grow and thrive in the gut. Soaking or cooking oats makes them easier to digest and helps prevent bloating. Quick tip. Prepare overnight oats. Oats soaked in milk overnight. The next morning just mix in yogurt and sweet fruit for a nutritious snack. Pushpin tip. Prioritize choosing unsweetened, low-fat yogurt or Greek yogurt to increase protein and reduce added sugar. When you first start adding these foods to your menu, increase them slowly to give your gut time to adapt. Yogurt is truly a superfood for digestive health, but not just any food is good for you. Choosing the right combination will help you not only avoid digestive risks such as bloating and discomfort, but also maximize the benefits of probiotics, nourish a strong gut microbiome, thereby improving overall health. Remember, avoid combining yogurt with sour fruits, red meat, and spicy fried foods. Prioritize combining yogurt with cooked apples, good nuts, and soft-soaked oats to optimize daily digestion. Thank you for taking the time to watch this far. Wishing you a healthy digestive system and energetic body with just small but correct changes every day. See you in the next videos.